The public broadcasters TV3 and Catalunya Radio were founded in 1983 under a mandate from all the political parties then represented in the Catalan Parliament, the institution which represents the will of all the citizens of Catalonia, whom it is our duty to serve. From Catalonia and using the Catalan language, we have for 34 years striven to inform about world events with the maximum pluralism and veracity. And this has made us the most trusted and highest rated source of news in Catalonia. The threat by the Spanish government to take direct control of Catalan public media, including the ACN, the Catalan News Agency, constitutes a direct attack on the citizens of Catalonia and a denial of the right to true, objective, pluralistic, balanced information, a fundamental right in any democracy. The simple fact that a government plans to take over and control this media is proof enough of its intent to infringe these rights. Government control is not compatible with freedom of the press. This government interference in the media is unacceptable in a democratic Europe. It is a direct attack on the founding principles of the European Union.